Today I want us to talk about something very sweet and very interesting in Dagbon culture. It is called Dachahali. Now if you grew up in Dagbon, you already know what I'm talking about. But if you didn't, let me explain it in a very simple way. Dachahali is a special relationship between a particular type of cousins. Not all cousins, not brothers' children and a brother's children, and not a sister's children and a sister's children. It is only between the children of a brother and a sister. So imagine a man and his sister. The man's children are called Dobe, and the woman's children are called Pabe. Now, when these two sets of children meet, they are not just ordinary cousins, they are called Dachee in Dagbon. And this is where it becomes very interesting. These cousins treat each other like husband and wife. The male cousin sees the female cousin as his wife, and the female cousin sees the male cousin as her husband. When they meet each other, they insult each other and they disturb each other very much. The female cousin can stand there and say, "Where's my housekeeping money?" Because to her, you have to take care of the male cousin has to take care of her. And the male cousin will always tease her as being a lazy wife or a wife who doesn't play her wifey duties. This teasing is not disrespect to you. To someone outside, it must sound like a disrespect, but no, it's not a disrespect in our culture. Now it becomes even more serious during marriages. When the male Dachee is bringing his real bride home, his female cousin and her friends will block the entrance, demanding to be compensated, because symbolically another woman is coming to take their husband away, so they must be compensated. The groom and his friend must pay money before they allow the new bride to come inside the family house. And when the female cousin, who is also getting married, the male cousin will sometimes also be demanding to be compensated from her to be husband and friends. It's a playful relationship that we take serious in Dagbon. There's another interesting part of this. If the Dachee group of cousins actually fall in love, they are allowed to marry. When they marry, the woman is called the Doarpa. So what started like a teasing sometimes becomes real love. And trust me, sometimes the teasing and all na scam. They actually love each other. This same spirit goes beyond the family, like immediate family. This is the same thing that happened between Dagbamba and Mossi. Dagbamba are from the male line of Nagbewa's son, Shitobu, and Mossi are from the female daughter of Nagbewa, who was called Yenaga. So that is the same Dachahali relationship you see Dagbamba and Mossi playing. If you are watching this right now, you have a Dachee. Tag your favorite Dachee in the comment section. The one who is always disturbing you, always asking you for money, and always pretending they don't love you, but secretly they are madly in love with you. Let's see who is bold enough to tag the Dachee first.